It's July 2011, and this small flotilla of tugs heads for Hartlepool to collect the 2 substations for the Sheringham Shoal wind farm from offshore construction specialist Herima. Towering over the harbour, each one weighs around 1,000 tonnes, so the operation to move them out of Victoria Quay onto a barge and tow them to the Greater Wash requires great planning and precision. It's another milestone in this joint project for Statkraft and Statoil through Skirra Offshore Energy Limited. When the wind farm is complete, the substations will form a vital link in the transmission system that will deliver more than 1,000 gigawatt hours of electricity every year. That's equivalent to the annual consumption of 220,000 British homes. The journey took 12 hours, and it was dark on arrival at the wind farm site, so careful manoeuvring was required to hand this precious cargo over to the infill tugs, ready for the next stage, its installation. The following morning, the first substation was towed to the crane vessel Oleg Strashnov for the painstaking operation of raising it from the barge and settling it neatly onto its foundation. The Oleg Strashnov can lift up to 5,000 tonnes and accommodate nearly 400 personnel, so it was ideally suited for the operation. The second substation was successfully put in place 2 days later.
We have installed the substations successfully with this vessel. It was a test case of doing the first serious heavy lifts with this vessel, and it went very well. They were installed in time without any remarkable event, so it was a successful installation.
Having successfully installed the substations on their foundations, the Oleg Strashnov travels to Vlissingen to pick up more transition pieces and monopiles for transportation back to the wind farm site. More than half the 90 foundations have now been installed. On this occasion, there are 4 full foundations to deliver safely.
We have just arrived at field now, and we have gone into one other location where we are going to install the foundation for windmill to be installed later.
Each of the piles is manoeuvred carefully into place and driven deep into the seabed. Next, the transition piece is winched up and mounted on top. These foundations are now ready for the arrival of the first of the 88 wind turbines that will make up the 317 megawatt Sheringham Shoal offshore wind farm.